Today I am going to start the lesson from the Diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank. Before you read, Anneliese Mary Ann, this was her title. Anneliese Mary Ann Frank, 12 June 1929. What is her date of birth? 12 June 1929. February March 1945. And she lost her life either in the month of February or March. The year was 1945. Was a German. Her father was from Germany. She was a German by birth. Born Jewish girl. Jewish is related to a community who wrote while in hiding with her family. Means she was hiding with her family. She used to use her diary. She used her diary to describe her feelings. And four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. World War II was going on, and she was hiding with her family and four friends were in Amsterdam when the German had occupied the Netherlands in World War II. Her family moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. After the Nazis had started controlling Germany, her family had decided to move to Amsterdam, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended to the Netherlands. But when the Nazi controlled areas extended into the Netherlands, they felt trapped. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, everyone belonging to the Jewish community was being oppressed by the Nazi government. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. They didn't want to be persecuted. They didn't want to suffer at all because of the rules brought in existence by the Nazi government. So they decided to go into hiding in the year 1942. When? The month was July. In hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. Anne's father Otto Frank had an office, and in the building of that office they went into hiding. After 2 years in hiding, they remained hidden for 2 years. The group was betrayed. Someone informed the government about their presence. Where? In the office belonging to Mr. Otto Frank. The group was betrayed and is transported to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot. When the government got information about their hidden place, the government sent soldiers to capture them, and when they were captured, they were sent to the concentration camp system where they were tortured, where Anne died, and Anne lost her life there because of typhus, a kind of disease, where in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank. Her sister Margot Frank had also lost her life there. Within days of her sister Margot Frank, she also lost her life and died of typhus. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the war. Everybody died except her father, Frank Otto Frank. To find that her diary had been saved, returned to Amsterdam. His father came back to Amsterdam, and after the war was over, his father came back to Amsterdam. And what did he find? He found the diary which had been used by his daughter Anne. Convinced that it was a unique record, he did not have any doubt that it was not a unique record. He thought that it was a unique record. What? The diary used by Anne Frank. He took action to have it published. He wanted to get it published in English under the name. He wanted to get it published in which language? English. And what was the name he had chosen for the diary? The Diary of a Young Girl. The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until his final entry of 1st August 1944. This diary contains the records of the events of Anne's life from 12 June 1942 till 1st August 1944. She had described all the events that took place between 12 June 1942 and 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch. It was actually written in Dutch, but it was rendered into English, into many languages. It was translated into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. Many people admired the frank words used by Anne Frank in that diary. There have also been several films. Several films have been made based on this diary. Television theatrical productions have been brought into existence based on this diary, and even an opera. Opera is a musical drama based on the diary. So many things have come into existence because of that diary. Several films, television and theatrical productions, and opera, etc. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. This diary is thought to be the work of a mind which was matured and insightful, which could penetrate anything. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. What happened every day during when the Nazi government was controlling Germany? The life of that time has been explained very nicely and accurately by Anne Frank. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned means famous. She has become one of the most famous and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Holocaust is related to the time when all people belonging to the Jewish community were suffering because of the rules formulated by the Nazi government. Catastrophic period. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned. She has become a very famous person. Many people discuss of the Holocaustic victims and those persons who suffered because of the rules formulated by the Nazi government. Their sufferings have been discussed in this diary. Thank you, children.